You have a digital product, maybe is a Notion template, a guide, or a mini course, but it's just there sitting on your website, just collecting digital dust. You poured your heart into it and you know it can help people, but all you can hear is crickets. And every time you try to market, you feel so cringe asking for the sale. Well, that was me in 2022 when I launched my first Notion template. But 8 months later, I was making daily sales on my shop. After that, I launched my first Notion course, and that made me nearly £2,000 in the first 2 weeks. And today I have 723 students in that course. The difference was one focus formula, and I'm giving it all to you in this video. I'm going to walk you through 3 things. Number 1, how to position yourself as the trusted expert that people actually want to buy from. Number 2, how to build a problem-solving lead magnet in literally minutes using HighLevel AI Studio. And number 3, the one focus formula. I'm going to keep coming back to this formula because this is the thing that literally can break your cycle of being overwhelmed and procrastinating and getting stuck on your own business. That's why I wanted to stay until the end, because this formula only works if you have these 3 elements working together. Let's start with positioning, because this is the most important thing that most creators skip completely, and that's why they are getting ignored online. The truth is, there are thousands of people selling digital products right now. Some of them are far less experienced than you and have a way less to offer than you, but they are getting all the attention. So why is that? And it all comes down to this positioning problem. Positioning means that you are the only and the best person to solve a very specific problem for a very specific person. Not a vague problem like, oh, I help you become more productive, or I help you to make more money, but that kind of specificity that makes people read or come to your page and say, wow, this is literally for me. And the first place to do that is your bio. But first, what not to do in your bio. It's not about saying that you are a dog mom, a plant mom, or a coffee lover. It's not about you. Your bio exists to answer the question that is going in the mind of your potential customer. What's in it for me? Your bio needs 3 main things. The first one, social proof, showing that you've done what you are teaching. Authority, showing that you know what you were talking about. And your offer, show that you know exactly how to help them and how. I'll show you my example in my bio. So this is the bio on my Instagram, but that can be on any social that you are using it. So you can see here there is social proof with the students that I have on my community. There is also authority, showing that I have done what I am teaching. He also has a line here for my offer, which is the Passive Income Academy. And if you've got some extra space, you can also add things that are about your values, what you stand for, what makes you different. Here's another example from a fellow Notion creator. Create systems and Notion templates for creatives. And in both of these examples, you can see a pattern that is not talking about them, it's talking about what they can do for others. And I know you might be thinking, oh, Leticia, but I have no audience, I have no followers, I don't even know where to start. You can start today. You can start right now. It's not too late. You just pick a platform and start building your community. Every single person that you see out there, they also started with 0, but you have to be brave and create your own. You can publish a video today that can completely change your life, regardless of the amount of followers or subscribers you have. There is someone right now less experienced, less remarkable than you, who is out there building their freedom because they started before they felt ready. So be brave and build yours. This is where the one focus formula comes into play. When someone discovers you for the first time, their brain starts scanning for trust signals, and they will start asking themselves this question: can I trust this person? Is this worth my time and money? Will this actually help me specifically? At this moment, they are not ready to buy from you. So of course, it's going to feel cringe to go and push them a product. Asking someone to buy your product on the first time they see it is too much of an ask. And that's why we need a bridge. This is something that is going to give them a quick win, is going to build that trust on you, and naturally, it's going to lead them to your paid product. And guess what that is? A lead magnet. And just to be clear about this, I'm not talking about the boring ebooks and boring checklists that you can make in Canva, that they are just going to download it and forget about and never open. I'm talking about tools that are actually going to solve a micro problem for them in minutes. Let's use one of my courses as an example. I have a course where I teach creators on how to create and launch their own Notion shop to sell their Notion templates and other digital products. But before someone buys that course, they have these smaller problems and urgent questions in their mind. For example, what template should I create? How much should I charge for this? Where do I market? And how do I know if someone actually wants to buy this? Every single one of those questions is a lead magnet waiting to happen. And here's the even better news, because you don't have to spend weeks building a lead magnet. You can create literally in 20 minutes a lead magnet that solves a specific problem for your ideal customer. You can literally build any of those tools in minutes using the new AI Studio in Go HighLevel. Right, now we are inside my HighLevel account. We're going to use the AI Studio to vibe code this tool. I already have created with my AI as well with Claude. I created the prompt. I already gave the questions. I already gave what I wanted to ask. It first of all is going to ask the questions, and then is going to give some lead magnet ideas. And for the branding, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to give a screenshot of my brand, like my course, for example, and it's going to create around that brand. Right now, I just gave an image here, a screenshot of my course, so it knows like the vibe I want it to go for and the colors. And now it's going to take a while, so I'm just going to pause that and we'll wait to see. While that is building, I want to show you here the biggest benefit of doing that inside HighLevel, because you can connect your lead magnet to your CRM if that is in HighLevel. So for example, one thing you're going to need after you build this lead magnet is to deliver it. You're going to deliver that via email. So for example, workflow that I have here, these are basically automations that you can create. So when someone signs up for the HighLevel trial using the link below, they will receive this email with my YouTube course for free, which is a bonus. And all of that is completely automatic. It's going to track the links, it's going to see how many people clicked on it, and it just rolls out automatically. So this is one of the biggest benefits of doing everything in one place. So you don't have to, oh, I have to sign up to another subscription. You can have your website as well. You can build your funnels. You can build your digital store to put all the digital products that you have. You can put webinars, blogs. So for example, I have a digital shop here as an example that I created for a tutorial. And all of that is inside the HighLevel account. And you can customize it, you can add the products, you can add individual freebies for each of your products and individual nurturing sequences for each of your products as well, if you have more than one. Okay, now we can see what created for us. So it created the lead magnet generator. Hi, welcome, so excited you're here because we are about to build together these things that turns your knowledge into income on Autopilot. First, what's the digital product you want to sell? Let's fill this out together just to see how that works. So here I filled it out. I answered the 5 questions, so it's not too much. And now it gave me 3 lead magnet ideas. One, a focus checklist sheet that gives the audience an actionable workshop, blah, blah, blah. Also gives a title, the 5-minute that could be a Notion template checklist, your fast track roadmap. They don't know what without the overwhelm. I don't like this title. So here it gave me these 3 ideas: a lead magnet one, a checklist; the second one, a quiz or assessment; and idea 3, a swipe file or mini template that lets them steal the exact framework. Let's just put 2. I like the idea of the assessment. Okay, so it even gave me some ideas to create this video about, because one thing is, once you have this lead magnet, you also have to sell your lead magnet, even though it's free. And you're going to have some marketing ideas to market that. And what to do next: build a lead magnet, set up delivery, start posting, build a nurture sequence, and the one offer clarity statement. So every time you do that, it's going to be different. So depending on the prompt. So this time it gave me that, but I also tried a different, before I created the video, I created another one and it was like that. So you're going to find there are tons of different ways and layouts. I personally prefer this one because it gave me like I like the layout better. But you can always play around and just decide which one you like the best. And then you can just publish. What you're going to do is you're going to publish this and share this link as the lead magnet. The tool that I am using here is Go HighLevel. And if you want to have your lead magnet connected to your CRM, have nurture sequences, everything in one place so you don't have to deal with Zapier trying to connect all the things together, AI Studio is just one feature inside HighLevel, and you can build unlimited landing pages, product pages, tools, calculators, even a weather app, anything that you want to build to market and lead those people to your paid digital product. And the best of all is that you can have it all connected in one place. So if you want to test that for absolutely free and pay nothing unless you absolutely love it, I'll leave my 30-day trial link in the description. This is an extended trial that you can use. If you have any other questions about HighLevel, please be sure to leave in the comments and I would love to help you. But you already know that the tool alone isn't what changes things. What actually changes things is knowing exactly what's the one thing to focus on. I promised you the one focus formula at the beginning of the video, so here it is. One focus formula is built on one main idea. When you do too many things at once, you do nothing with excellence. One burning problem, one amazing offer, and only one marketing platform. Let's break that down. One burning problem means that you pick the single most painful, urgent problem your ideal customer has right now. Not 3, not 5, not 2, only one. And that problem is what your lead magnet is going to fix it in just a few minutes. And your paid product, your course, your membership, your consultation solves it at a deeper level. One amazing offer means that your digital product and your lead magnet are in complete alignment. The lead magnet gives them that quick win, and your product is going to take them to the next level to finally get the full transformation that you provide. And finally, one marketing platform so you can master it and get really, really good at it. It can be any platform you want. It can be YouTube, it can be TikTok, Instagram. One burning problem, one amazing offer, and one marketing platform. Don't divert from that. And here's the beautiful thing, when you combine this formula with lead magnets that you can create, you can always create new lead magnets, like create once a month or twice a month. And every time you publish about that, you are going to be creating more trust and growing your community and helping you sell more products, even while you sleep, while you take a break from social media, because that's going to keep building and creating a compound effect in the future. I still have lead magnets that I have created ages ago, and they still bring me sales because I've done the work and they are still there on the internet, on YouTube specifically, and they keep bringing me sales and customers. Before we wrap this up, I want to share with you a quick story about one of my clients that started working with me a long time ago. She was in the first round of the Passive Income Academy. She started her Notion shop. She made a few sales. She had a newborn baby, so she was working in the nights. And when she made a few sales, she actually decided that Notion wasn't really her passion, and she completely pivoted for selling other products related to the niche that she's actually passionate about, which is books. And right now her business is really thriving on TikTok. She overcame the fear of posting. She started marketing her products, and she's really passionate about it, and she's creating her freedom her own way. It doesn't have to be just about Notion. It doesn't have to be that kind of specific product. You can always pivot, and all the skills that she learned in the academy, they are completely transferable to any kind of online business that you want to build. And now her business is growing. She's creating options for her and for her family, and most of all, she's creating freedom. And that can be you. This business can only fail if you give up. And I want you to know that you are right on time. If this video reached you at this time right now, it's because it was the time that was meant for you to watch it and for you to absorb this information and act on it. So don't feel like you are behind or you are too late in the game, because you are not. You can absolutely start that today. Don't let the fear of looking stupid or worrying about all the people think stop you from building your dream life. We only get one life, and it goes by so fast, so don't waste it. If you have gifts and if you have the desire to share them with the world, please do yourself a favor and do it. One type of lead magnet that is having the highest conversion rates right now, and if you want to build that for your business, for your niche, I made a video going through that in only 8 minutes using AI Studio. So if you want to go and watch that next, I'll leave that link for you. Bye, I'll see you on the next one. Thank you so much for watching.